ever wonder how our utilities like gas and water and electric are installed underground? Or contemplate what those strange machines that we see on the side of the road actually do? For your enjoyment, here's a crash course on horizontal directional drilling. I was invited out to a job site where drill master Mike Neuendorf was able to schedule a lighter day of work in a location where filming them wouldn't interfere with this process known as directional boring, which actually requires immense focus because of all the surrounding utilities they cross paths with underground. You guys have to go underneath this?
Probably gonna go over it.
You can go above it or below it. Is this the problem?
No.
There's also a lot of moving parts that require precision in order to not break anything on these $500,000 machines.
It's a $600,000 machine, right? These rods I think we're paying like $900 a rod on these.
I tried my best to stay out of their way, but did slow them down a bit. Which is exactly why Drill Master Mike set aside this less complicated job site for me to tag along. Now let's see what it's all about.
You ready? All right, here we go. All right. He picked up that arm at 3 foot, right?
Yep.
Riding at 6?
Yeah, it's fine, I guess.
I won't put too much on it. Let me know when you see it moving.
Yeah, come level off. Level off. Do I not have the target steer on?
Yeah, you're a target.
Okay.
You're drill too.
Okay.
It's coming over. I see it moving.
Okay. Yeah.
So it seems quite important for you guys to have this headset and microphone to communicate with each other.
Yeah, it's constant communication. So he's looking at the same thing I'm looking at when we're drilling. So
should be coming across that column now. Yeah. All right.
I guess if you're good with that, if you're comfortable with that depth, stay level anyway for the moment, or even a really slight negative.
Yeah, it's just rod for rod. We're not skipping.
Anyway, we're dialed in on the shovel.
Every general contractor is always going to evaluate cost when overseeing a construction project. So when it comes to underground work, trenching can be quite messy with tons of surface restoration, massive amounts of labor, and way more traffic control complications. So HDD is absolutely the most efficient way to put utilities underground. Especially because these guys here can reliably put more than 1,000 feet of pipe in the ground in half a day. The way it works is you have a machine that forces a drill head to navigate through the earth containing a beacon that transmits an electromagnetic signal. That signal is sent to a tracking guidance system operator above ground. And the signal is so sophisticated it can tell both the locator and machine operator the pitch, depth, and orientation of the drill face. Because, dig this, aside from drilling into the earth, the curved face of the drill head can also be used to steer a series of rods to the desired direction for thousands of feet until they run out of pipes.
Is that it? All right, put another rod on. I'll need you to come in about another 3 feet or so. Just broke the wall.
A liquid mixture is machine pumped to the drilling machine using tubes that inject the mixture through all the rods in order to stabilize the borehole wall, keep the drill head cool, as well as help transport the cuttings out of the borehole.
My cuttings coming back for play.
This liquid mixture injection process is crucial in order to not damage drilling tools or get any equipment or utilities stuck on pullback because of a bore wall collapse. Once they reach their target, a clevis pulling swivel pre-attached to conduit is then affixed to the drill head with pins because, as you can see here, the drill head has a hole in it for this very purpose. Now it's time to pull all the rods back to the machine, dragging the conduit with it. Out it comes on the other side. Now you have hundreds of feet of 2-inch conduit underground. useful for communication lines, fiber optic, and even some electrical utility and power lines. And that's just the small end of what horizontal directional drilling is capable of.